Hello everyone, this is Randhir Gautam and today I am going to discuss the very important differentiation in social research concept. Techniques, methods and methodology. Generally when we listen techniques, method and methodology we don't differentiate, but there is very fundamental differences between techniques and methods and methodology. What does it mean when we say techniques? By techniques, I mean a device, a means, or a contrivance, verbal, instrumental, mechanical, or something else, used for collecting or processing data relevant to the concept of a scientific inquiry. One of the important decisions in any social research design is the determination of the techniques to be employed for gathering data, right? How you are going to collect or say process data, techniques is important instrument for that. To put it differently, the techniques of a science are the means by which the professionally accepted work of that science is carried on, right? A single techniques may be used to serve more than one purpose in one science, or it may be utilized in several sciences, right? uh, some techniques commonly used in more than one science discipline, like we have interview, observation, case study. These are the techniques which we use also in natural science as well as in social sciences, right? uh, and these are the qualitative techniques, right? I think no field of scientific inquiry can be used by its method. A method be merely an relation of a number of techniques, or a techniques which is generally enough to be used in more than a single discipline, right? What is method? The term method stands for more than the actual devices utilized to execute a given research project, right? It implies a goal or an end as well. So techniques are means, right? Whereas method implies a goal or an end, right? A method therefore may be used as a system of a complete set of rules of procedure, including the techniques necessary to accomplish the tasks which are to be employed in attaining a scientific goal. Method refers to a technique for gathering information such as questionnaires or interview, right? So this is important, right? Method is goal of. So what is methodology? Methodology has deep philosophical orientation. When you choose any particular methodology, you have some philosophical orientation, like why are you going to choose that particular methodology. We talk about feminist, we talk about phenomenology, whatever the philosophical orientation you have, your methodology correspond to your philosophical orientation. Basically, the term methodology implies the scrutiny of concrete studies as to the procedure used, underlying assumptions made, or say mode of explanation considered as satisfactory, right? You choose particular methodology and you know that that's methodology limitations and merits, but because that methodology serves or satisfy your research procedure, that's why you are going to choose that methodology, right? So methodology is an essential path through which scientific progress is brought about, right? Methodology is significant because it is the consideration of general grounds for the validity of scientific procedures and system of them, right? The methodology is analytical in his or her approach for researcher. One codifies the consistent and notable elements of ongoing research practices. Methodology refers to the theory of an analysis of how research should be proceed, right? It suggests a commitment to a particular way of practicing research, such as feminist phenomenology, so and so forth, right? So I think now you are clear about proper conception of these three terms: techniques, methods, and methodology. Thank you so much.